Hello everyone, my name is Fernando Marcarencon and this is my video tutorial about consonants. Consonant is this sound is totally voiceless. You should be able to figure out the faults between the tongue and the verbal range. The fact that there is friction means that it's a fricative being articulated in the alveolar region. The voiceless place of articulation is alveolar. In manner of articulation is fricative, and position of the soft palate is oral. See some examples: sang, sip, soup. The sound is the sound is very happy, and the soup is very slippery. Consonant R E. When you say you should be able to feel R flowing over the sides of the tongue, indicating that is a lateral sound. Is divided into two distinct sounds, the dark and the clear. If you are digital, you should be able to hear a difference between the first and second. In body light or dark, the tip of stem is a contact with the upper ridge. The difference between the two stems from the position of the back of the tongue in the light are the back of the tongue is farther back in the mouth. Voicing is voiced. Place of articulation is alveolar. Manner of articulation is lateral. And position of the soft palate is oral. See some examples. Little, loud, long. I speak a little English. The volume is low. And how long or the long. The long is long. Consonant of or. R is the very tricky consonant. Many people think that R is still rolled in the mud. A term this could be said about scoring English is the not true is R. The tongue is fairly close to the tiny lateral rates with the sides of the tongue in contact with the sides of the palate. Voicing is voiced. Place of articulation is post-subpolar. Manner of articulation is what affects approximate. Position of the soft palate is oral. Examples: wet, warm, weak. My house is wet. Mm, that's warm. And I read a book. Thank you very much.